For many years, I've been cutting my hair and saving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And in this economy, who wouldn't want to save that kind of money? Well, today, look forward to sharing with you another hair cutting kit that you may want to take a look at. It's by a company called RENPHO. If you haven't been familiar with the company, I have worked with them in the past, reviewed other products, primarily massage type of products, and they're known for quality. And so they asked me if I wanted to try a product review, and so I thought, hey, let's try the hair cutting kit, because I always wanted to just see what others are like out there. And so this weekend I cut my hair, and I look forward to sharing with you some highlights of me cutting my hair, so maybe you can pick up a tip. But I know it does take a little time getting used to cutting your hair. It also could be messy. So nonetheless, I'm glad they did send it to me. I'll be sure to share my referral link for it so you could read other reviews. You could see the latest promotion. Currently, I saw it's under $50 and it doesn't cost you any money to use my referral link, and it helps the channel. So appreciate it. And I'm going to give you my unbiased opinion. They have not seen my review prior to me making this. So there we go. We'll dive in. Now, let's talk about what's included. Obviously, you got the unit. We'll show you how and all the highlights there. Got a nice box there with all the details. You have two charging cables, which is interesting that come with two different cables. So it mentions it does worldwide voltage. It has worldwide voltage that supports to make it ideal for travel and business trips. But you got two different kind of cables. It's got a micro USB cable, and then also it has on the bottom there, it's got two different ports. So you've got the other kind of port as well that plugs into USB. So you got two different options there. You've got a pouch that easily fits the unit in, and then you could take some of the combs if you want to take it with you. It's not going to fit everything in here, but it will fit most. And then otherwise you can just hang on to the box. You have the instruction booklet, which gives you all the information that you need in there, and then it also has some other information in there that you probably won't even read. You've got a brush to clean the head. You've got this oil as well, and then you have 6 combs, and we'll talk about the combs. Now, as far as the battery, it's a 1400 milliamp lithium ion battery, and it delivers 4.5 hours of constant use after a 2-hour charge. 270-minute runtime with USB charging. And we'll talk about the speeds here as I'll turn this on. So there is basically very simple. You got a middle button, turns it on and turns it off. And then it's got two speed ways that you can go. You can go slower or you can go faster. So all the way at the lowest speed is 5,500. You press the plus sign. That goes to 6,000, 6,500. It says 65 there, but 6,500. And then 7,000, and there goes 70. It also gives a display of how much battery life is on there as well. So there you go. So depending upon what you're doing, grooming, you could change the speeds. Now, as far as the combs, it has the 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 9 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. And I use the 6, the 9, and the 12. And usually the top of my head, I do the 12. But very easy to put on. Snaps on just like that. And it locks in place and stays well. And so basically you're going in this direction, where that's to your head. And so as far as the experience using it, I thought it did a good job. I have used another hair cutter that had a wider head, so I feel it does take more time and more work to use this versus one that has a wider head. But otherwise, I think it did a good job, and you could see here's a day later with me cutting my hair. In fact, my friend said to me, we went out last night, she's like, your hair, you did a good job. And I said, yep, I cut my hair today. And it does take time, you know, to do the back of your hair, and still not always perfect, but nonetheless, I got, you know, a mirror that I hold up to another mirror so I can see, and that helps. But overall, once I got done, I was happy with the end result. The one thing which I find is awkward depending upon, when you're cutting your hair and if it's behind, sometimes the buttons, I would hit the button, I would hit the plus or minus, or I'd turn it off and then turn it back on. So that's the only thing you just got to get used to using. But otherwise, the end result was, it did a good job. It did a good job, and I think for the money, I feel like this is a quality product. And knowing RENPHO and what they sell, they make a good brand and they stand behind the product. So check it out. I definitely would give it a thumbs up. Just again, took a little bit longer than what I've been used to for what I've used in the past, and I will certainly use this to, whether if I cut my hair or even just trimming around my sideburns or the back of my hair, this could be, a great way to go that way too. And of course, there's other ways if you want to do some fancy things with your hair. Some people really do on the sides and on the back. So you can get really fancy with your hair and this hair trimmer. So there you go. Those are my thoughts. Let me know if you have any questions. And here are some highlights of me cutting my hair.